Okay, good morning everyone. Today is May, what is it today? May 13? Yeah, May 13, 2020. So for our success story posting today, it's green card approval through marriage. Retained us after a notice of intent to deny was issued after the interview for a Filipina client in Broadview, Illinois. So our client entered the U.S. from the Philippines on a tourist visa. She overstayed, later married a U.S. citizen, and without an attorney filed an I-130 petition and I-485 adjustment of status application with the CIS. um, in Feb 2019, they appeared at an adjustment of status interview in Chicago. And then a year and a month later, March 27, 2020, the CIS issued a notice of intent to deny based on the documentation or lack thereof that they submitted at the interview and discrepancies in their interview itself. So, they retained our office on April 10, 2020. So giving us, because when they issue a NOID, they usually give you 30 days. So April 10, they retained us. March 27 was the NOID issuance deadline, like around April 27. So they retained us, and after talking to our client and reviewing the NOID, as it is in these types of cases, you really have to show it's your burden to show that your marriage is bona fide. So we tried to obtain as many joint documents as possible, affidavits from friends and families that are notarized. There were some instances here where they couldn't get notarized because of the coronavirus, like some offices were closed or some couldn't get out. So we included that sentence excuse at the statement, signed statement with just the complete contact information of the writer. So we submitted the NOID response on April 23, 2020. And then on May 5, 2020, the USCIS approved both the I-130 and the I-485 green card application. So, yeah, just, some of these cases shouldn't be as hard as it seems. But without any preparation, without understanding what your burden is, without preparing for the interview, without submitting the documentation that you can submit, you're just making it hard for yourself. Like with proper preparation, this would have been approved back in March 2019 even. It took over a year just to issue a NOID, and took immigration 2 weeks to approve it after the NOID response. So, sometimes you want to hurry or you want to file or you want to save, it ends up costing you like over a year. So it's important to understand the burden to be met in these cases and to be prepared. So if you have any questions pertaining to something similar to these or any other immigration related cases, feel free to call or email us. This is JP Sarmiento Immigration Law Firm. Free consultations. Our phone number is 216-573-3712. You can also email me at jp@sarmientoimmigration.com. Thank you.